Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a very salon speedy look with pink urban graffiti gel to give maximum impact for very little effort actually. So enjoy. So first of all, we're going to use the Urban Graffiti Shy Time. That's one of the nude pink colours. It's my favourite nude. Now because we actually have an overlay on these nails, which I've done with the Acrogel, we don't need to use a base coat. So we'll go in with a layer of the nude. So remember to pull the skin away with your finger so it minimises any chance of contact. And remember to cap the free edge on all of the nails. Would you like to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds for me? So normally we would use 2 coats of the Shy Time Nude Pink. However, because we're going on with some other colours, we only need the 1 coat this time. We're going to be using today the Urban Graffiti Interlude, which is a really, really nice salmony pink. First Night, which is a nice bright, again quite salmony, but a little bit lighter than the other one. And then Miami Beach, which is a nice vibrant pink. And then we'll be having some of the Snow White, which is a really pigmented white, and Serious Black, again, which is really, really pigmented. So we'll go in with palest of our colours, which is First Night. Now, because this is a full look nail and they will be very similar on each hand, what we need to do is just wipe our brush so it's got minimal amount, and then we just drag up the nail. Bounce it up to the cuticle so it's nice and straight, and then drag it down. And these don't have to be in any particular pattern or order, just whatever you feel. I'd like to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds for me. So next we're going to go in with our brightest one, which is Miami Beach. Again, wipe your brush off, barely there. And then at a different angle, go on top. Wiping any off if you get any on the skin. Remember to bounce it up to the cuticle and drag down. Drag that in. Pop that in the lamp for me again for 30 seconds. And once they've been cured, we're going with Interlude. Again, doing exactly the same thing for the exact same process. Just want to build up a little bit of colour here. Just adding it wherever you feel necessary. And then again, cure that for 30 seconds. Then we need to take our form again. It's already a little bit of the Snow White on, but we'll pop another little bit on. Serious Black, put a little bit on for our abstract lines. And then what I'm actually going to do is use the Snow White, wipe as much off as possible, and then literally just run it through. Barely there. That in, make sure we don't get any on the skin. Pop it in again for 30 seconds. Now once that's out, take our 0002 detailing brush and get some black on there, load that up with black. And then you can go in and just do some random patterns. So I'm choosing lines today. It's very simple to do, but very effective. And then with a small dotting tool, we go in with the black again, and on the white forms the most contrast. Just do some dot work. There doesn't have to be any rhyme or reason to them, just random patterns. And pop that in the lamp for me for 30 seconds. Once that's out of the lamp, we take the Urban Graffiti top coat, which is a non-wipe top coat, and we make sure we fully cover those with nice shine and seal them. Remembering to cap the free edge as we go along. And then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds because it's a top coat. So once they've been taken out of the lamp and they are fully cured, we use some cuticle oil in pink pineapple, which is my favourite. And we just run them around the cuticles just to rehydrate them. And we'll rub that in. And there you go. So these are a very easy salon speedy abstract nail that looks really effective. It looks like it's taken you a long time to perfect. However, they are incredibly easy to do and absolutely anyone can do them. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Please feel free to send a message or get in touch, and you can purchase them on the website. So thank you for watching.